náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa láyé ọpẹ́ máa fi máa yọ èwo la ní ká sáré gbéyẹ̀wò lọ́jọ́ títí òní.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Ló ní pápápá láì má gbára wa ní àkókò kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ náà bàbá wa ẹ̀gbọ́n wa dókítà wa Oriyomi Hamzat kọ́lọ̀ ń jẹ́ ká rí wọn pẹ́. Now lórí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ìbàdàn àkíyèsí kan wà tó jẹ́ wípé gbogbo abiyamọ kẹ́ ẹ bá wa fi ojú wò ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kẹ́ bá wa gbé yẹ̀wò torí àwa kan rí wípé arákùnrin yìí tó jẹ́ bàbá ọmọ tó ṣe aláìsí yìí ó ní ìdí àti jẹ́ ẹjọ́ ó ní ìdí punishment ó ṣe kí ni ó ní ìdí punishment láti lè fi kọ́ àwọn tó kù láti lè fi kọ́ wọn lọ́gbọ́n irú àwọn tán bá ń ṣerú ẹ̀. Nàìjíríà ò dá Nàìjíríà ò dá ṣé orúkọ Nàìjíríà wà níbi kan tí ò dá ni bí òun ṣe pọ̀ ọmọ Nàìjíríà gangan because president ibẹ̀ governor ibẹ̀ senate ibẹ̀ ológbò ibẹ̀ ajá ibẹ̀ ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni báwo la ṣe wá ṣe Nàìjíríà sí gangan màá fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́rọ̀ ní àti ẹnu bàbá ọmọ yìí kẹ́ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ní àti ẹnu bàbá ọmọ yìí kẹ́ wá sọ fún mi ṣé bàbá yìí need the punishment tàbí kò need the punishment ṣóun ló fi ẹ̀mí àwọn ọmọ yìí ṣóun kọ́ ló fi ẹ̀mí wọn ló fi wá ewu tó fi di wípé ewu báyìí kan lọ nínú wọn tàbí wọ́n béwu lọ tàbí wọ́n ṣàbá ìjàmbá tí kan bá jàmbá lọ nínú negligent tí bàbá ọmọ yìí ṣe gangan. Màá gbé fídíò àkọ́kọ́ wá níbi tí wọ́n ti ń dá dúró wípé kó dúró. Màá gbé wá kẹ́wò kẹ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí interview tí bàbá ọmọ yìí tó sọ jáde ní ẹnu. Yes. Nígbà tán ṣe interview fún pẹ̀lú bó ṣe drive yẹn kẹ́ wá wò wípé ta ló fa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Ọlọ́run má lò wá ní sábàbí aburú ta ló fa nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí.
Olórí burúkú kò punish him. Good.
Comment tu fais là? Come on, little Lord. Oya. Kò lè lọ.
Wait. Abeg.
Ó ti kó ọmọ kékeré.
Abeg, shift for me.
Kò yẹ kó lọ ńbẹ̀ yẹn rárá.
Àtúnwò tẹ́lẹ̀. Àtúnwò tẹ́lẹ̀.
Wọn ló máa kú sí.
Boy Kendi Alade has been tragically killed by a stray bullet fired by a police officer in Ibadan during a joint operation with the Oyo State Traffic Management Authority. The incident occurred around Alakia Adigbayi Road, Egba local government area, Ibadan, while the father of the boy, Mr. Adunayo Alade, was taking him to school and was involved in a confrontation with the Oyo State Traffic Management Authority. The incident has sparked a strong reaction from the community. Speaking to journalists in his residence, Mr. Alade claimed he was fixing a tire when officers attempted to arrest him for allegedly violating traffic rules following the technician's instructions to face oncoming traffic. The situation escalated, resulting in one of the officers shooting and killing the boy. According to Alade, the boy will be 14 years old by November 26 and is demanding justice and accountability for his son's death.
I need to pump the tire. So as I at that junction, there's one organizer there. So I parked, start to turn, but the tire is on the other side. So as I turn, the man finished the tire. As I about to move, as in, I want to enter the junction back to turn back and take my leave. I saw that Ultima. I didn't even know that they are Oyo State. I don't know the full.
Traffic management.
Yes. So immediately I saw them, I started moving. One of them just came to block me. He hit my car. Then I put the car on the vice just to bypass him. I didn't know they are up to 4 vehicles. Then the other one, the twin vehicle, hit my car again. Then I just tried to, so as I managed to escape them, the next thing I had a gunshot. This particular boy was shouting in the vehicle, "Daddy, daddy, daddy, daddy." And I was trying to caution him that I should keep quiet, that we've left the place, there is no problem. Not knowing that the bullet hit the boy. So it was his second twin brother that was saying, "Daddy, stop. Paul has been shot." So as I parked to bring the boy out, those policemen and the Ultima, I don't know what they call them, they were running after, they come after me again. Then in the process, I held one of the police, the trousers. So people now gather together, they rush the boy to welfare hospital here. Then from the hospital, they use their own ambulance to take him down to UCH. But on getting there, he gave up the ghost. He's an SS1. He will be 14 by November 26. They are twins. For the past 7 years now, their mother abandoned them. It's only me that is taking care of these children. I decided not to remarry because of these kids. Friends, family, relatives have been disturbing me. Won't I get married? Why do I want to get married? I have 3 kids already. So which woman that will bring up now that will not destroy the life of these kids? So that's why I just decided not to marry. I just want justice.
Mr. Oke, who was also in the car when the incident happened, gave his own account.
About 4 of them. Then one of them came and tried to open the door and drag the steering with the driver, that's the deceased father, and tried to open my own door too. And he made a statement, said, "You are carrying children and you are driving rough." So they knew we were carrying children to school. They saw them in uniform. Then the next thing we heard was a gunshot. We heard a gunshot. We're thinking maybe they released the bullets to scare people away. So when we moved for some maybe 5 seconds, so the guy, the boy, the deceased, was shouting, "They've shot me! They shot me!" So I look at the back. The back screen was not broken. So we were even thinking that he was scared because all the children they were making noise, So we were trying to calm them down. Then I look back, I saw him gasping. So I told him that he should stop the vehicle. So when he stopped the vehicle, the elder brother was soaked in blood. So I took him out. So he was gasping already. I'm a medical practitioner. So I gave him some aeration. Then I put him back inside the car and drove him to Wayfair Hospital. So those one, they attended to us promptly, and after that, he was given oxygen. Then we were asked to go to UCH. Before we got to UCH, the boy was dead.
A video clip released by the Oitima journalist revealed how Alade drove recklessly in order to evade arrest for driving against traffic. The Oyo State government has expressed condolences, describing the incident as avoidable and attributing it to a traffic offense that escalated into a tragic event. Meanwhile, a statement released by the Oyo State Police Command confirmed the arrest of one of its officers who accidentally shot and killed the boy during a joint operation with the Oyo State Traffic Management Authority. According to the statement, the incident occurred around 7:45 a.m. when officers attempted to stop a vehicle driven by the boy's father, Odunai Alade, who was allegedly driving against traffic. The Commissioner of Police has directed a thorough investigation into the matter, led by the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of the State Criminal Investigation Department.
Bá mi jẹ́ kí fídíò yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká pín, kò ní pọ̀ bó ṣe lè hùn kó mọ. Tó bá make sense lọ́dọ̀ yín, ẹ jẹ́ ká pín kó dé ọ̀dọ̀ Mr. Oriyomi Hamzat, Dr. Oriyomi Hamzat, wípé tó ń sọ wípé àwọn fẹ́ justice láti ọ̀dọ̀ government. Àwa náà fẹ́ justice, láti justice kó lọ fún fídíò. Bí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí yẹn máa yìí, bàbá tí ẹni tọ́mọ ẹ̀ kú yìí, but máa yìí, bó ṣe drive, kí ló fà, báwo ló ṣe wa mọ́tò bẹ́ẹ̀? Òun fúnra rẹ̀ náà sọ, ẹ jẹ́ wá náà fẹ́ justice fún ọmọ tó kú. Justice yìí dẹ̀ rí láti orí bàbá yẹn àti ọlọ́pàá ni. Bàbá ọmọ tí ó ṣe aláìṣẹ̀, òun náà fẹ́ kán lọ kóun náà fojú ba ilé ẹjọ́. Kán ṣiṣẹ́ lórí fídíò méjèèjì pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó sọ jáde ní ẹnu àti nǹkan tí gbogbo àgbáyé ta fojú rí nínú fídíò nígbà tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó ń stop ẹ̀. Òun dẹ̀ ló tún wá gba one way. Ó lọ gba one way, ó kàn gba bí díẹ̀, ó wá fẹ́ bọ́ sí normal road, wọ́n wá ń dá ẹ dúró, ó wá ń rò wípé bóyá kinní kan ni. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀, ẹ tún fídíò yẹn wò bí ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì bí ẹ̀ẹ̀mẹ́ta, ẹ máa mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ká mi lára, ẹ máa mọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ńbẹ̀. Justice ní ọ̀dọ̀ governor sí àwọn ọlọ́pàá, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àwọn aráàlú náà a fẹ́ justice lórí bàbá yìí fún ọmọ ẹ̀. Láti orí máà yìí fún ọmọ ẹ̀. Ọlọ́pàá tó ní làákàyè, magistrate tó bá ní làákàyè, adájọ́ tó bá ní làákàyè, èèyàn tó bá ní làákàyè kò gbọ́dọ̀ wo fídíò yìí kó gbọ́ nǹkan tí arákùnrin yẹn tó sọ pẹ̀lú interview tán ṣe fún. Very dark man, à ń pe very dark man sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Bí bàbá ọmọ yìí bó ṣe ń pe justice pé kán fún òun ní justice, àwa náà fẹ́ kán fún wa ní justice lórí ọmọ yẹn true pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí bàbá yẹn tó ṣe. Torí tán bá ń la òun mọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n, ọlọ́pàá tó yìnbọn náà máa la òun náà mẹ́wọ̀n. Kí ló fà á? À ń pe Bíọ́lá, what is her surname? Mi ò rántí surname ẹ̀. The other Bíọ́lá, our sister, tó ń ṣe Yoruba film. Kó bá wa dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kán bá wa fojú inú wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, kán wo fídíò yìí. À ń pe bàbá wa Fẹ́mi Fálànà, kán wo fídíò yìí. Tóun bá firú àwọn bàbá yìí jófin, àwọn ẹlòmíì ò ní lè kọ́gbọ́n. Ọlọ́run sọ pé wọ́n máa fi òun ṣe àríkọ́gbọ́n ni nínú ibi tó yàn sí ni. Ẹ bá wa jẹ́ kí fídíò yìí bó ṣe kéré tó yìí, ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ abẹ̀yìn ni. Ẹ̀yin abiyamọ abẹ̀yìn ni. Tí ẹ̀yin náà bá wò tẹ́ bá rí pé ó make sense, tí ò bá make sense ẹ lè má share, but tó bá make sense ẹ jẹ́ kí justice náà, kí bàbá yìí náà, bí ọlọ́pàá tó yìnbọn tóun bá ṣe ń fojú ba ilé ẹjọ́ tó ń jẹ́jọ́ lọ́wọ́, ọmọkùnrin bàbá yìí, bàbá pàyànpàyàn yìí, because òun náà wà lára pàyànpàyàn, òun ló pa ọmọ yẹn. Gbogbo ẹni ni mo fi sọ, mi ò ṣe sorry láti fi sọ. Ìwọ ló lọ gba one way, ìwọ ní ọlọ́pàá ń lé pẹ̀lú bó ṣe drive yẹn. Ṣọ́ọ̀ ní sọ wípé ó lè ní ó wá lọ́mọ márùn-ún ló wà nínú mọ́tò. Ó ní ọmọ márùn-ún ló wà nínú mọ́tò. Ó ní ọmọ márùn-ún ló wà nínú mọ́tò. Ó jẹ́ ń drive bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn torí pé ó ń lọ fún WAEC. Torí pé ó ń lọ fún wa. Ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Èmi ò gbọ́rú eléyìí rí. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin abiyamọ tòótọ́, ẹ̀yin abiyamọ àtàtà, á pè yín. Ẹ dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lọ ju bá ṣe lérò lọ. Bàbá ọmọ yìí láti fi ojú lọ ba ilé ẹjọ́. Bàbá ọmọ yìí ó máa fi ojú ba ilé ẹjọ́. Fídíò yìí nìkan kọ́, òun kọ́ ni máa ṣe. A máa pe àwọn èèyàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ̀, kò ní jọ̀rọ̀ fídíò nìkan. À ń láti pe àwọn èèyàn, à ń láti mú fídíò yìí náà, a máa mú rìn. Fídíò méjèèjì, ibi tó ti wa mọ́tò, ibi tó ti ṣe interview fún, a máa mú fídíò yẹn rìn. Bàbá gangan òun ló pa ọmọ ẹ̀. Negligent ló fi pa ọmọ yìí. Òun gangan ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀, ó wà ní ọrùn ẹ̀. Mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pakú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Mo kẹ́yìn ìyá, mo kẹ́yìn bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kí àbúrò. Èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín. Ayé ọpẹ́ yọṣúyọ lọ́dọ̀ tí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ á máa yọ fún wa. Lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run àní fojú sunkún ọmọ. A fi yọ o. Kò ń ṣe pé a fi yọ. Bọ̀ láti lè jẹ́ káwọn ẹlòmíì kán rí àríkọ́gbọ́n ni. Tó bá jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé 2 o'clock lóru ni, it's another thing. Tó bá jẹ́ 1 o'clock lóru ni, it's another thing. Tó bá jẹ́ ní òru ọ̀gànjọ́, it's another thing. Ọ̀sán gan leléyìí, bóyá àárọ̀ dẹ̀ ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Tí mo fi sọ pé tó bá jẹ́ lóru ni, a sọ pé okay, bóyá àwọn kidnapper ni, bóyá àwọn armed robber ni, bóyá this or bóyá that ni. Bọ̀ lójúkorojú. Tí ò bá jẹ́ wípé orí yọ àwọn ẹlòmíì gan ni, bàbá àwọn ọmọ yìí, àwọn tó máa pa kò ní kéré. Àwọn tó máa kán lẹ́sẹ̀ ò ní kéré. Tàbẹ́ẹ̀ rí bó ṣe ń drive fún bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ni. Kí ló gbé sínú mọ́tò? Báwo lọ́lọ́pàá ò ṣe ní yìnbọn fúnrú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Ṣọ́mọ̀ bóyá o lọ jí àwọn ọmọ tó ń gbé lọ, ṣọ́mọ̀ bóyá o lọ jí wọn gbé ni. Just common sense. Ẹ wá lọ káàkiri ẹ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ justice. A fẹ́ justice lórí bàbá yìí gangan. Bàbá àwọn Táyé Kẹ́yìn tó pa ìkan lára àwọn ọmọ yẹn, tọ́lọ́pàá yìnbọn fún tó pa ìkan lára àwọn ọmọ yẹn. A fẹ́ justice fún àwọn ọmọ yẹn. Ẹ bá wa mú bàbá yẹn, kẹ́ bá wa fi interview yìí wá tí bó ṣe drive ń bẹ̀. Òun náà ń lọ fojú ba ilé ẹjọ́. Bí ó ṣe ń lọ gbépò ń fẹ́ justice pé kán bá òun dá sẹ̀ríà fún ọlọ́pàá tó yìnbọn fún mọ́tò. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà làwa náà wá justice bóun ṣe drive tó lọ fi ẹ̀mí ọmọ yẹn tó lọ fi ṣègbodò. Mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o, ire. God bless you. One love. Bye for now.